Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in silver. You got that bug deflector out front there with your GMC badging. It's nice and chrome on the front there. You do have your parking sensors down there and your projector style lights with your other lights right there. Over on the side here, we do have our Michelin brand tires with our 20-inch rims. We got our running boards along the bottom there, and we do have our lights right up here as well. And coming back here, we do have the GMC badging with the Sierra, the Denali. You have your parking sensors, and you also have your step-ups there. You got your backup camera right there, and opening it up, it does let down nice and soft. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and there is tons and tons of room back here. Got our keys here, so we got our 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, remote start up there, and we do have our panic down there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You got your seat memory, a handle, and some storage down here and here. It looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are leather. Very nice and comfortable. They are electric as well, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and we do have our 2-wheel as well as we have our control of our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, in-cabin light control, and then our trailer there. And then right up here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers, turning signals, and our high beams. Okay, let's start up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Right in the center here, it does tell us our kilometers as well as how fast we're going, and we can switch it around to our trip A and B. We also have our fuel range, our oil life, we have our tire pressure, and then you do have all sorts of other options right over here, like your audio, phone, navigation, and your settings. Now that is controlled from right here with your different Bluetooth options as well. Horn in the center and cruise control options right there with your heated steering wheel. Gear shift is right here, and when you are in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. You do have your touchscreen display here. Looks great, so you do have your different options just over here, so your settings and whatnot. And then up here you do have your browsing, so you can see the different channels and all those guys. Then you can hit your phone right there. You also have your navigation. You have, if you hit your menu, you can see your audio, phone, navigation, all those guys as well. Then down here we do have the volume up and down with the power menu, radio. You also have your skips, eject, home, back button, and your browser there. Then down here we do have the climate control. It is a dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your AC, circulation, your defrosts and mode, power, and you also have your front and rear defrosts. Then over here you do have your heated seats and seat AC. This guy brings your pedals closer. You have your traction control, one of your lights, parking sensors, and then you also have your downhill assist. Some plugins just down here as well. You got a place for your phone and some storage in there. You do have your cup holders right here, place for your phone as well. You have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots and lots of room in there. And then over here you do have your dual layer glove boxes. Lots and lots of room. You do have some controllers for the screen in the back. And then you have your universal garage door opener, as well as you have the control over your sunroof, your lights, and your sunglass holder. And there is our sunroof looking fantastic. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage here, here, and here. It looks awesome back here. There is tons of room, and it is leather seating as well back here. You can open this guy up, and you do have your armrest with some cup holders. You do also have your players right here if you want to play a DVD or something. Then you can lift this guy up, and you do have some extra storage if you did need right underneath there. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 GMC Sierra Denali. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.